Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen the different parts of the screen of Scratch program like sprite, stage, block plate and script area. And today we will see how to make a program in Scratch programming language. Because Scratch is a programming language like Logo programming language. Here we have seen one graphic object or image that is called the sprite. We give commands to the sprite follow those commands and perform some action. So let's see our first program, moving your sprite in forward direction. We give some commands to the sprite to move in forward direction. Click events category name in blocks plate, drag green flag head block in script area. Remember, only the commands that are part of script area will make the script or program. This dragged head block, green flag head block, will run your script program whenever you click at green flag at the top right of stage. First of all, we click on the events category from the block plate. From here, we drag the first block when green color flag clicked from the block plate to the script area. This is the script area. We write our script or program here. So whenever we click this green color flag, our script or program will run or execute. Now we want to move default sprite in forward direction. For movement, blocks are there in motion category of blocks. So click motion categories name in the block plate and then drag move 10 steps block below the green flag head block in script area. For the movement of the sprite, we have to take move block from the motion category, move 10 steps, and we drag this move block in the script area below the green color flag, and it will be joined look like this. Your motion block should join below the head block, and now your script will look like this. It means whenever we click the green color flag from the stage, our sprite will move in forward direction 10 steps. If you want, you can click at the white box showing value 10 and change the value to 20 or 30, whatever you want. We change it to 25, so our script look like the one shown here. We can change the default value from the move block, so we have changed 25 steps from the 10. Now our sprite will move in 25 steps. Now click at the green flag at the top right of the stage and see what happens. Now our script is ready. Now whenever we click green flag, our sprite will move in forward direction 25 steps. Your sprite moves ahead. Click green flag again and again. It will move forward by the number of steps we entered. As we entered 25, it moved 25 steps ahead every time we pressed green flag. Program 1A. Same program with change head block. Here is the same program like previous one, this one, in which we are moving sprite in forward direction, but only one changes we have done. This time drag this head block from event blocks category. This time we have taken this block to execute or run the script when this sprite click. It means whenever we click on this sprite, so it will move in forward direction rather than click on the green color flag like previous one. So only one changes we have done. Rest of the script or program is same like this.